Okay, this is part 2 of my pantry clean out. This is the finished look. I've got my Tupperware all situated, storage, and look, you can see everything's in its place, where it needs to be. Crock pots, processors, blenders, coffee pot, the old coffee pot, rolling pins. All my canning stuff is down below that I can reach. Canning jars, my little gadgets, KitchenAids, I've got a couple of those, the processors, I've talked to you about that. Rice cookers, sealers, more crock pots, and all the way to the roof, bottles, jars I mean. And this is my shredder from Tupperware that I keep in the box. And these are the 2 extra attachments that I got that I've never even used. And behind that is my juicer that you only use every so often. My big crock pot cast iron and some tins. And then there's my jelly jam maker. Okay, over on that shelf right here, that's just like a catch-all, but not just stuff I catch. Okay, so we made it to where this 2 shelves all the way across on both sections is the canned goods, baking goods, crackers, soups, and so on. And then Tupperware's on the 2 bottom shelves. Over here, this I didn't do a whole lot work in. This is my canning shelves that I'm now filling up and dehydrated stuff. And then I have my carpet cleaner because we have dogs, we have male dogs, and my Shark vacuum cleaner. This will get done better. So there's all that, and you can see I got a lot of canning to do. There's my Shark that's easy to handle. That is wonderful for rugs or like, you know, your throw rugs. Okay, toilet paper. Look, Lisa, I got some toilet paper. Not like you, but I got some. Over there is some of my crafts, my yarns, and all that. The next shelf down is more dehydrated stuff, cleaning products. And then this whole shelf unit there is my Thrive products. This is a beef starter product kit. And then I have my meals, the simple meals in the back. These mushrooms, if you ever watch Linda's Pantry, this is what she gets. Well, in my state, I had to order this on Amazon to get it because they don't have it in our spot. So here's all of my Thrive Pantry stock, which is mostly all vegetables. I do have some chicken. This is the open, and over here is the non-open. I do got some tomato paste. I got something hitting my butt. I don't know what it is. Oh, my Tupperware. I've got peas. I'm trying to move back. Peas, carrots, potato dices, onions, dice. I got 1 can of sliced onions because they were on back order. The diced onions. I got 1 can of the apple slices. I love that in salads or just to eat off it. 1 can of the asparagus because I love it. And the green beans, oh my goodness. And mushrooms, of course. And then I've got a couple number 10 cans back here. And I got 1 can of honey. Roast pork. Chopped chicken, sliced chicken. The sliced chicken, I will say, is my favorite of all. These my niece sent me. Herbalife. I never use it. It's a protein drink. And a shake mix. I gotta learn how to use that. My olive oil stock, more cleaning products. Okay, and then here is my vases and so on. Puzzles, nail product, because I used to sell Jamberry, don't forget that. Jesus Lord, I got a lot of that. And these are just some of the stuff from the junk drawers that I still got to go through. Kids boxes, another KitchenAid down below. That was my first KitchenAid. That actually, I thought stopped working. My husband plugged it in. It works. And that was a 5 quart. Okay, over here, got my shredder, more Tupperware down below. My glass, Pyrexes, storage. And then up here is more, this is the baking area. And on the top, I will try to show you, this is all my pans that my husband will not let me stack, which drives me totally berserkoid. A couple empty boxes. This is my dehydrating stuff. I gotta have it. I've got metal, and I've got the metal racks. I've got the, where you put the little sheet over it. Easy cleanup. Here's my Power Air Chef. Air oven, I mean. Do I like this? It scares me to death. It gets so hot that I'm afraid I'm going to catch my house on fire. Just saying. More canned good area, juices and so on. Husband's popcorn. My dehydrator. Love it. And I do got some water down below. Cleaning bags. That's it. So what do you guys think? I think we did a great job. Thank you to my daughter for helping. She was such a big influence on me to get it going. Down there, that is flour in the red and the white. That Tupperware container is my whole wheat. And the little one is what I've got left of the all-purpose flour. I will not buy another 25-pound bag because because in the summer it's not that easy to store unless you put it in a big deep freeze. Here's the other air fryer, the Philips air fryer that my dad got me. Now, the reason we got the bigger one is this is really small inside, and I'm not exaggerating. That's my hand inside there. Whoops, sorry about that. So you can tell it's pretty small, but that doesn't get hot like the other one does. So that's it. Thought I'd share. Finally got the second video done. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. God bless. Have a great day.